Hello Pisces, how are you? This is your career, business, and money reading, weekly reading July 21st to July 27th. Just wanted to share that I have posted videos on career, business, money reading. Like the video is like 6 month reading July 2020 to December 2020. Also, I post weekly and monthly readings on career, business, money, and love readings, monthly and mid month readings. So please go through my playlist if you do want to see those videos. Also, I do and myself practice some attraction, law of attraction videos, which attracting money or attracting a job for yourself, or for that matter attracting a good boss for yourself. Just a joke. It's just like attracting a specific person you want in your life. So just go through the playlist, and if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. So Pisces, let's see what's there in store for you. This is Seven of Cups. Come out of the illusion, Pisces. There's a lot of things you want. You are motivated to work for money, for luxuries. That is what I get. But some of you are also into not very real world. So it's like coming out, come to reality, get into the real things, and motivate yourself to work, into real situations. Also with this Seven of Cups, I feel you want to spend on luxuries, you want have to have a good home, and you want to buy a lot of stuff. So money is the motivation which is forcing you to move ahead and work really hard, Pisces. The Justice card in reverse. So I feel some of you were waiting for a certain news or certain, things which you thought would come in your favor. But with Justice card in reverse, I feel there are legal issues, there are issues related to inheritance, there are issues related to there are issues in courts, wherein the decision is going to be delayed. Either it's going to be delayed, or you will not get a fair justice. It will not be on your side. So it talks about delay, and and justice not done fairly with just card. Legal matters for some of you. That is good. Also, I feel that there is a for some of you there might be expenses regarding your divorce settlement, alimony settlement, which is still not finalized. And you need to shell out a bigger amount for some of you, Pisces here. Ace of Pentacles. So finally a nice card, good card. Very good card. Money coming in for some of you. This is a sudden money which is coming, although you have maybe invested in past, your recent past or your past, but you weren't aware of this. Suddenly there is even I sometimes, you getting a stock market and you get dividend and you get bonuses announced and you get a hike which you were not expecting. So there's a sudden money. Ace of Pentacle card, it's coming to you for some of you. So really happy with what with this money situation this week. Definitely, if it is money or a news of money which is getting you money in the coming weeks, is coming for some of you, Pisces here. Four of Cups in reverse. So here also I feel Four of Cups in reverse is a good card. It's because you have lost opportunities previously, Pisces, and now you know that you wouldn't let that happen. So you are alert. You don't want to miss out on opportunities to earn money, or work situation or business situation. What I feel. So stay alert. You are alert with this reverse card, Four of Cups reverse. You are in an alert position. You are not self-absorbed. You are coming out of that energy, wherein you were just into your misery and your sorrow. You were just thinking about what, life has gone through. So you have come out and you're alert, and you will grab every opportunity that is coming to you, Pisces, now. So one more card and we'll just wrap up the week. Five of Swords. Some of you are giving away on a certain situation. You don't want confrontation, or you don't want to fight for this. It could be a job or a money situation which you were expecting, things to come up in your favor, but it has not come for some of you. But you do not want to confront the situation. You just want to, give away that situation. Okay, bye bye, and just move away from that situation. Sometimes it's okay, it's peaceful way to go, because there's already a lot of stress in work for regarding this COVID-19, and sometimes, but it depends on what situation you are. Sometimes it is also necessary to get clarity of this situation, confront, because it you get the clarity. So depending on your situation, Pisces, this is it for this week. So we'll do the next weekly, we'll see you in the next weekly reading, career, business and money. So all the best, and if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.